Let's review BT Mobile. Find links to products mentioned down below. BT Mobile runs on the EE network, giving you strong 4G and 5G coverage across the UK. Known for reliability, BT Mobile offers a variety of SIM-only plans and phone deals. This makes it a great choice if network quality is your priority. A huge perk? Free access to over 5 million BT Wi-Fi hotspots, saving you data. Family plans? Add extra SIMs at a discount. Some plans also offer data rollover, letting you carry over unused data. If you have BT broadband, you get exclusive discounts, too. Thanks to the EE network, BT Mobile speeds are excellent, so browsing and streaming are super smooth. 5G is available in many areas, boosting performance even further. BT Mobile offers UK-based customer support with decent response times. However, some users find the billing and contracts a little complicated, so read the fine print. International roaming is offered, but it's not as extensive as some competitors. Overall, BT Mobile is a good fit for existing BT broadband customers, families needing multiple SIMs, and anyone who wants a fast, reliable network. It's not the cheapest, but the coverage, Wi-Fi access, and bundled discounts make it competitive. Use BT Mobile? Share your experience in the comments. Check the description for more info.